Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix no signal or no network coverage problem in your Android. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing no signal or no network coverage area in your Android, then I'll show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, first of all, what you have to do, the first method is you have to just enable the airplane mode and wait for a couple of seconds and disable it again and check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still you are facing the issue, then tap on the settings, tap on network and internet, tap on SIM card and mobile network, select your SIM 1 or SIM 2. After selecting the internet, here you can see preferred network type, just tap on that. If your location is under 5G coverage, then you can select the 5G. If you are in any remote area where 5G network is not available, then you can select 4G. Here you will find access point name, tap on that. Just tap on this three dot, then tap on reset to default. Then go back and check whether your issue has been resolved or not. After doing this, still you are facing the issue, then tap on the settings again, tap on the search and tap on reset. In last you can see reset Wi-Fi mobile network and Bluetooth, tap on this. In first you can see reset Wi-Fi mobile network and Bluetooth, you have to just tap on this, then tap on reset setting. After tapping this, all your network settings, Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth settings will be resetted. After that you can try and connect to your network. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix no signal or no network coverage area in your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.